Today, I'll walk you through how to save Snapchat memories to your computer, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to download your cherished memories so you can keep them safe and accessible. First, let's start by heading to the Snapchat website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to snapchat.com. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. This is the first step in accessing your memories. Now that you're logged in, click on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This icon is your gateway to all your account settings and memories. Next, select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your Snapchat account. Once in the account settings, look for the option that says My Data. Clicking on this will allow you to request a download of your Snapchat data, including your memories. Now, you'll see a list of data types. Here, you need to toggle the radio button for Export Your Memories. This step is crucial as it specifies that you want to download your memories specifically. After toggling that option, click on the Next button. This will guide you to the next step in the process. You will then be prompted to choose a date period for the memories you want to export. Select the desired range and then click on Submit. This step ensures that you only download the memories you wish to keep. Once you've submitted your request, Snapchat will prepare your data. This may take a little time, so don't worry if it takes a moment. When your data is ready, you will receive an email with a link to download your memories. Simply follow the instructions in the email to save your memories to your computer. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to save Snapchat memories to your computer. Remember, it's totally normal if this process feels a bit overwhelming at first. With practice, it will become second nature. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.